Introduction. Deforestation, the indiscriminate clearing of forests, is a rising environmental and societal concern. In this exploration, we uncover the root causes of deforestation, its devastating effects on ecosystems and climate change, and the socio-economic consequences for both local communities and the global population. Causes of deforestation. Human activities, driven by a variety of factors, are the primary causes of deforestation. These include agricultural expansion, logging, infrastructure development, and urbanization. Poor land use practices, such as slash and burn farming and illegal logging, further exacerbate deforestation rates. Loss of biodiversity. One of the most significant impacts of deforestation is the loss of biodiversity. Forests serve as home to countless species of plants, animals, and microorganisms. When forests are destroyed, these species lose their natural habitats, leading to a decline in biodiversity. This loss disrupts delicate ecosystems and can result in the extinction of endangered species. Climate change. Deforestation contributes to climate change by releasing vast amounts of carbon dioxide, CO2, into the atmosphere. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 during photosynthesis and storing it in their trunks, branches, and leaves. When forests are cleared, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect and global warming. Soil erosion and degradation. Trees play a crucial role in preventing soil erosion and maintaining healthy soil. Their roots hold the soil in place, preventing it from being washed away by rainfall or blown away by wind. Without adequate tree cover, soil erosion intensifies, leading to decreased fertility and increased vulnerability to landslides and floods. Water cycle disruption. Forests play a vital role in regulating the water cycle. They absorb rainwater and release it slowly into rivers, lakes, and groundwater reservoirs. When forests are cleared, the water cycle is disrupted. Floods and droughts become more frequent, negatively impacting agriculture, water availability, and overall ecosystems. Loss of indigenous communities. Deforestation often leads to the displacement of indigenous communities who depend on forests for their livelihoods and cultural practices. These communities lose their homes, access to traditional food sources, and suffer the erosion of their cultural heritage. This loss of connection to their ancestral lands can have profound social, economic, and psychological consequences. Economic implications. While deforestation may offer short-term economic benefits through the exploitation of forest resources, the long-term consequences are severe. The loss of ecosystem services, such as timber, non-timber forest products, and natural pollination, can have a significant economic impact. Additionally, deforestation contributes to climate change, which carries substantial economic costs in terms of extreme weather events, reduced agricultural productivity, and healthcare expenses. Mitigation and conservation efforts. To combat deforestation, various conservation strategies and initiatives are being implemented worldwide. These include establishing protected areas, implementing sustainable land use practices, promoting reforestation and afforestation, and supporting indigenous land rights. International agreements and partnerships also play a crucial role in addressing deforestation on a global scale. Conclusion. Deforestation poses a severe threat to our planet and communities. The clearing of forests not only leads to the loss of biodiversity and disruption of ecosystems but also exacerbates climate change, soil erosion, and water cycle disruption. Indigenous communities and the global economy suffer as a result of deforestation. However, through concerted conservation efforts and sustainable practices, we can mitigate the devastating effects of deforestation and strive for a more balanced and sustainable coexistence with nature. The preservation and restoration of our forests are key to the well-being of our planet and all its inhabitants.